Good morning, student. I am Nirdosh Awasthi. I will teach EVS in this class, your class 7C. So, for EVS, the prescribed book is Environmental Education of Candid for class 7. बच्चों, there are 11 chapters in this book, but as you know, due to lockdown, the prescribed syllabus is cut by 30%. So there are only 7 chapters which will be included in your syllabus this year. For EVS, student, you have to make a classwork copy. At the end of each chapter, the exercise is given in the book and you have to write the answer of exercise in your own word. So first we will discuss the chapter, and when the chapter is discussed, then you have to write the answer of exercise in your classwork copy. So after the discussion of each chapter, so first we will discuss the syllabus, क्योंकि कुछ चैप्टर जो हैं वो हटा दिए गए हैं सिलेबस से. देयर आर ओनली 7 चैप्टर इन योर सिलेबस इन ऑफ EVS दिस ईयर. So now first we will discuss which chapters will be included in your syllabus. So the chapters are, first chapter is sources of water, second chapter is air, third chapter forest a habitant, fourth chapter forest a resource, fifth chapter consequences of the human activities, sixth chapter environmental degradation, seventh chapter environmental conservation. ये 7 चैप्टर जो हैं वो आपके सिलेबस में हैं और इन चैप्टर्स की PDF मैंने आपको जो है वो भेज दी है. उस PDF से आप लोग 7 चैप्टर्स के नाम जो है वो लिख लेंगे और जो क्लास वर्क कॉपी होगी उसके फर्स्ट पन्ने पे you have to write the names of these 7 chapters which are included in your EVS syllabus this year. So student, the first chapter of your syllabus is sources of water. So after each chapter there is exercise. You have to do the exercise of each chapter. Today we will start the first chapter, that is sources of the water. Student, in EVS learn the chapter and try to write the answer in your own word. We will discuss each chapter, but you will write the answer in your own word. No need to just copy the answer from the book, because EVS is a basic science in which we study natural resources and some natural phenomena and their properties. As we know that every natural resource has some properties, और वो प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो है हम लोग इस बुक में जो चैप्टर्स हैं उनमें 1 by 1 डिस्कस करेंगे. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द चैप्टर फ्रॉम द बुक, हम लोग का जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है वो सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर है. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द चैप्टर फ्रॉम द बुक, I just want to give you some homework. So the homework is you have to write the 10 properties of the water. आप लोगों को वाटर की 10 प्रॉपर्टीज लिखनी है. उसमें रिसोर्सेज आप लिख सकते हैं कि हाउ वी गेट द वाटर, फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट द वाटर एंड व्हाट इज द यूजेस ऑफ द वाटर. इस टाइप के जो प्रॉपर्टीज हैं वो आप लिखेंगे. एंड you have to write in your own word. No need to copy from the book. You have to first thing frame the correct sentence and write in EVS copy. The work should be very neat and clean. Don't just copy from the book, because it is a basic science. You have to first understand the topic and frame the simple sentences in your own word and write in classwork copy. Your work should be very neat and clean. There should not be any cutting, overwriting in your classwork. So from first this class, I am just giving you the homework to write the properties of the water, and from the next turn we will start the chapter sources of the water. Thank you.